Hello CEIBS applicant. Lovely to see you. Follow the instructions in this video and you'll be all set to begin your journey with the CEIBS MBA program. There are 3 essential steps in your admission process. Create an account, finish your application, and prepare for your interview. To get started, you first need to create an account. Once your account is set up, you may begin your application. To complete your application, you'll need to prepare each of the 7 documents you see on screen here. Your degree certificate, transcript, and GRE or GMAT score are for us to validate your academic background, quantitative skills, and verbal reasoning. You will be asked to answer several essay questions. This is an opportunity for you to tell us who you are. Being authentic and honest is key. Dedicate the time to having an in-depth conversation with yourself. Remember to follow the word limit of 500 words per essay question. Once you complete your application, click Submit. It will then be reviewed by our admissions team. After reviewing your application, our admissions office will contact you via email to schedule an interview. Follow the instructions in this email carefully. The interview is a great chance for you to meet with faculty and staff. Come with confidence and showcase your aspirations. After the interview, you're done. Simply stay tuned for our official notice. Admitted students get early access to CEIBS MBA resources, events, and scholarship opportunities. There is plenty of time until the opening ceremony. That's why we have planned numerous events throughout the year for you to attend before the program begins. To access our global community of 34,000 alumni across 91 countries and immerse yourself in the CEIBS experience. We also provide international students comprehensive support including visa assistance, travel tips, and Chinese language lessons to ensure a smooth transition to life in China and at CEIBS. Thank you and good luck. We hope to see you soon.